Welcome to Geeta School online classes. Today we are discussing mathematics about similar triangles. Similar triangles construction is very important, so that it is 4 marks problem in annual examination, so that you must practice this similar triangles construction. In exercise 8.2, 12th problem, construct a triangle of sides here 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters. Then construct a triangle similar to it. After that, you can construct the triangle ABC using given measurements. Here AB is equal to 4 centimeters. You can take the scale. First, you can draw the 4 centimeters line segment. So, that is AB. AB is equal to 4 centimeters. After that, you can take the compass. Here, BC is equal to how much is there? 5 centimeters. You take 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. From B, you can draw 5 centimeter arc. After that, again AC is equal to 6 centimeters. Using compass, you can take 6 centimeters on scale. With compass, you can take 6 centimeters. From A, with 6 centimeters, we can draw another arc. Both arcs are intersecting at C. Now join AC, and BC. Then you are getting triangle ABC. Join AC and join BC. Okay, then triangle ABC is constructed. After that, you can take protractor. Protractor midpoint keep at A, reverse, and midpoint here this AB line on 0 degrees. AB line on 0 degrees. Protractor midpoint at A. Now you can construct a 60 degrees down angle. Here 60 degrees. After that, you can join A and 60 degrees. Now AE, this line is AE line. You can take as 60 degrees angle. After that, you can take again compass. You can make equal parts. Here ratio, what is the ratio? 2/3 ratio is there. 2/3 ratio. Here which is big number? 3 is big number. We can take AE into 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. To take 2 centimeters or 1 centimeter equal part you can take. Here I am taking 2 centimeters. Now 3 equal parts you can make. First part and second part and third part. 3 equal parts. After that, this is E1, this is E2, this is E3. Now you can take here denominator. In denominator, which number is there? Third. You can take E3, third part. Okay, third part and B join. Third part and B join. Okay. After joining, you can take protractor. Protractor midpoint keep at E3. This line on 0 degrees. You can measure the angle. Your angle is how much? 48 degrees. 48. You can take here 48 degrees. After that, same angle take at E2. Again protractor midpoint keep at E2. This line AE line on 0 degrees. After that, how much angle? Same angle, 48 degrees. Here 48 degrees you can take. You can join that line. This point we can take as B dash. B dash. After that, this B E3 is parallel to B dash E2. Both are parallel. Why both are parallel? Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal, so that these two lines are parallel. Now you can take protractor. Protractor midpoint keep at B at 0 degrees. Now you can measure angle at B. Here angle is 84 degrees at B. Now you can measure the angle. Here 85 degrees. 85 degrees. And the same angle take at B dash. Again midpoint keep at B dash. This line on 0 degrees. Same angle 85 degrees. You can take 85 degrees. After that B dash and 85 degrees join. This B dash line is intersecting AC at one point. That point we are taking as C dash. B dash, C dash. Now required triangle is A, B dash, C dash. Triangle A, B dash, C dash is 2/3 part of total triangle ABC. Now you can check is it correct or not. Proof. Here AB dash is 2/3 part of AB. Here 2/3 into AB how much? We know AB is equal to 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters means 4.0 you can take. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Remaining 1 point. 3 3s are 9. 1.3 bar. 1.3 we can take. 2 3s are 6. 2 ones are 2. 2.6 centimeters. If you measure AB dash is 2.6 centimeters, our answer is correct. Then you can check is it 2.6 centimeters or not. You can measure. Yes. Now it is 2.6 centimeters. Okay. So that our answer is correct. AB dash is equal to 2.6 centimeters. Here, if you observe, triangle AB dash C dash is equal to 2/3 part of triangle ABC. Here numerator is small, so that required triangle is smaller than given triangle. Here given triangle is ABC, and the required triangle is AB dash C dash. 2/3 is called proper fraction. Numerator is small and denominator is big. Then this fraction is called proper fraction. Whenever we are getting proper fraction, required triangle is smaller than given triangle. Required triangle is smaller than given triangle. After that, you can write construction steps. Again, you can draw rough diagram also. For rough diagram, suppose like this you can draw. Simply rough diagram you can draw. Triangle ABC. Again here, B dash, C dash. In annual exam, for rough diagram, half mark. And this diagram 1.5 mark, and for this proof half mark, and you can write the construction steps your own. How we construct that construction steps you can write own. That construction steps, for that construction steps 1.5 marks. Total half plus 1.5 2 marks, half plus 1.5 2, 2 plus 2 4 marks, total 4 marks. Next problem, they given base and altitude, they given an improper fraction. Previous we discussed about proper fraction, now we are discussing about improper fraction. Here numerator is big, denominator is small. We want to construct a 3:2 ratio similar triangle. Then required triangle is big triangle. Here base AB is equal to 8 centimeters and altitude CD is equal to 4 centimeters and remaining two sides are equal. AC is equal to BC. In a triangle, two sides are equal. This triangle is called isosceles triangle. Here ratio is given 3:2. First, we can take scale. Here, first we can construct 8 centimeters. Line AB is equal to 8 centimeter line. After that, here not given sides. Here they given altitude. Altitude means vertex to in a triangle. Vertex to opposite side perpendicular is called altitude. We want to construct altitude. Here CD is the altitude. CD is the altitude. In isosceles triangle, here D is the midpoint of base. AB midpoint is D. First we can construct the perpendicular bisector. How we can construct the perpendicular bisector? You take compass. In AB you take more than half. More than half. Upside 1 arc and downside 1 arc. Okay. After that, from B with same measurements, you can intersect the first arc, intersect the second arc. Now you can join both arcs intersecting point. Okay. Now here this D is the midpoint of AB. Is it midpoint of AB or not? Check. Okay. Exactly, it is the midpoint of AB. Okay. Now here 8 centimeters means AD is 4 centimeters and BD also 4 centimeters. Now from D we can take 4 centimeters. We can make right. Here D2, here how much you can take 4 centimeters on perpendicular bisector. That point we can take as C. That point we can take as C. Now you can join AC. Here CD is the altitude. Now you can join AC. Join AC and join BC. Now A, B, C. This is the given triangle. ABC is the given triangle. For this triangle, we can construct 3:2 ratio of similar triangle. Now you can take protractor midpoint at A, same like previous problem. This line on 0 degrees. We can construct 60 degrees angle here, down 60 degrees angle. Now you can join this point and extend it. This line we are taking as AE. Here angle A is 60 degrees. Now you can take compass. You can make equal parts. Here in 3:2, which is the big number 3, so that you can take 3 equal parts. Each part you can take 1 centimeter or 2 centimeters. Now I am taking 2 centimeters from A. First part, second part, and third part. E1, E2, E2. Here, if you observe in denominator which number is there? 2. You take second part. You join second part and B. Now you can take scale E2 and B. You can join E2 and B. E2 and B. After that, you can take protractor 0 degrees on AE line, midpoint at E2. Now you can measure the angle here, 86 degrees. 86 degrees. Here you can take 86 degrees. After that, you can take scale and extend AB. Extend AB. Here, now you can take protractor midpoint at E3. Protractor midpoint at E3. Same angle you can take, 86 degrees. 86 degrees. Now you can join that 86 degrees. Okay, that is intersecting extended AB at B dash. If you measure AB dash is 3 by 2 into AB. Here 3 by 2 into AB how much? 8 centimeters. 2 ones are 2 fours are 3 fours are 12 centimeters. If you measure AB dash is 12 centimeters. We did correct. After that, again you can take protractor midpoint, keep at B. You can measure the angle. This line on 0 degrees, AB line is on 0 degrees. Measure the angle here, 45 degrees. At B, angle is 45 degrees. After that same angle, you can take 45 degrees at B dash. 45 degrees. You can draw this angle line. After that, you can extend AC. Okay. This B dash angle line is intersecting extended AC at C dash. Now required triangle is A, B dash, C dash. Required triangle is greater than given triangle, because triangle A, B dash, C dash is equal to 3 by 2 into triangle ABC. Here this is 3 by 2 is the improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is big, so that required triangle is greater than given triangle. Now A, B dash, C dash is similar to triangle A, B, C. If you measure AC dash and B dash, C dash, both are equal measurements, because it is an isosceles triangle, so that these two sides are equal. This A, B dash, C dash is similar to triangle ABC, and 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means it is 1.5. 1.5 times of triangle ABC. Okay, you can check is it correct or not. AB dash is equal to 3 by 2 into AB. Then AB dash is equal to 12 centimeters. If you get 12 centimeters, then your answer is correct. If you not get 12 centimeters, then your answer is wrong. After that, you must draw the rough diagram. Compulsory. For every, like this, AB, SC, AC, BC. Okay, extend. Here also extend. B dash, C dash. This is the rough diagram. For rough diagram, half mark, and for construction, 1.5 mark. and for proof half mark and construction steps also 1.5 mark. Total 4 marks. These constructions are very important. If you practice again and again, then only you will get.